So, what should have been a 2-hour project has now gone into the second day, mainly because I yet again screwed up on this somehow. I don't know if it was all the paint fumes that I was breathing in yesterday, but I decided that I did not like the blue, and I was just going to paint it white, which I don't think in and of itself was a bad idea. However, the blue was oil paint, and when I went into the garage I had oil and latex white paint, but I mistakenly grabbed the latex paint. And while this effect may be a cool effect for certain projects, if you want the lead paint antique look, I did not want this look on my vanity. So here's your pro tip. If you want this snakeskin look, paint the base color in oil paint, let it dry about 75%, and then go over it in a water-based paint, and that's what you will get. Kind of cool and also very ugly. So I am now going to go over it again in white, in which I should be completely done and forgot about this project. But there's no turning back now because that just doesn't go. So I'm hoping I can, that it's all dry now, and I can go over it again in white, and that I have enough white, or I'll be going back to the store. That is going to be a wrap on the paint, whether good or bad. I'll pass off a few things that I learned to save you some frustration. Obviously, one, make sure you're dead set on the colors that you are going to use. And if you decide to change your mind, don't mix oil and water-based paints without the oil-based paint being 100% dry. Did not turn out exactly how I wanted, but I still think it ended up being better. I wanted to class it up a bit before I showed you. Here's what my super cheap Vanity Makeover ended up looking like. Alright everybody, thank you very much for watching. Check out a couple other videos. I'll see you next time.